So I want to talk about our third plenary lecture by Reverend Dr. CHU ILO. We're really excited to have him on board. He's a priest from Nigeria, but he also teaches at DePaul University in Chicago. He teaches world Christianity, public health, and he's bringing to us these insights from the global church, from Africa. And he's a powerful speaker. He's going to talk about hope for a divided world, the promise and praxis of Christian education. So how does Christian education actually create hope? In what way does it challenge unjust structures? In what way does it challenge us to grow in our Christian faith? Please come and hear him speak. This is a rare opportunity for us to have him here in Canada, and we're excited to hear from a priest from Africa, a professor from Chicago, and he's going to bring all of that guidance and wisdom to us here. The way it affects me is it does indeed give hope. I mean, and hope is grounded in reality. And this is a tough time in the world. We see lots of difficult situations taking place. And hope is not something that's sort of pie in the sky. It's not something where you pretend reality is not real. It's grounded in how do we change our behaviors? How do we change our practices? How to create situations where the gospel can be preached and where the gospel can change others. And perhaps more significantly, how does the gospel change ourselves? And this is what we're going to hear in his lecture, The Promise and Praxis of Christian Education. I'm really excited because he is a powerful speaker. We need this right now. We know our world is divided. We know our world is polarized. And we're going to be able to hear from this powerful speaker, a Catholic priest from Nigeria who teaches at DePaul University in Chicago, about how Christian education can help heal those wounds, can help heal a divided world. And we want this insight from the Global South. We need to learn from the world church. What can we do? How can we learn? And just encourage you to come and to learn and to be moved by this powerful speaker. Yes, he's a professor. It's an academic speech or lecture, but he's also a priest, a pastor, and he's going to bring that element as well. And hopefully this will be a transformative event for all of you. And remember, all of our lectures, our keynote lectures are free. And so is this one with Dr. Reverend CHU ILO.